Okay, it's Tuesday, March 14th. Just following up on the SPY, you can see now price has come down even further. We took out the open of the day and the low of the day, and we're just pausing here for a second. So the options, which I bought some 395 puts at 557, they're up close to 8 right now. There they are. They're asking 8. And it looks like we have a failure day unfolding here after price gapped up, took out that liquidity high right here into that fair value gap, and then is now at the moment, turned red on the day. So at this point, given you have a little fair value gap here on the 15-minute chart between the low of this bar and the high of this bar, any rally up in here, you could probably sell for another push lower. I don't know how weak the day is going to get to the downside, but if we could end up with a bar looking like this, then this will certainly start projecting more downward action for the rest of the week to see if we can turn that weekly chart eventually red below the yellow line here. So at this point, the structure on the day is down. We've had the big move from the top here, so we might pause a little bit. I think any rallies up in here, you could buy puts again and see if we can test that low, the low of the day that's formed, and just to really see if now that we're inside of the pre-market range, we could really be coming all the way down. This looks like the type of thing where on the downward trend, we just kind of make lower lows and higher highs and eventually lower lows. We kind of did that in here a little bit. We came down, you make a higher high, lower, then you kind of get choppy as you work your way lower. So that seems to be what's developing now. So anyway, we'll see now. There might be a secondary trade in the afternoon to go short if we can get a little pullback into this zone. But overall, good trade to buy some puts up here, just anticipating you might get this roll over to the downside.